Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa, and in this video we are going to review this particular product called as Aspect. This one I have purchased from IKEA, and this is basically a knife sharpener. So you might find n number of other items in the market to sharpen the knife. This is basically one of the best product in the market for sharpening your knife. So I purchased this from IKEA store, and the price was around in Indian currency it was around 400 rupees. So in US dollar it will be around $5 or $5.5 around, approximately $5.5. So guys, the product name itself is Aspect, ASPECT, and it is basically made in Finland. So it's basically hollow from inside, there is nothing inside it, and there is one switch over here. It is not, I will not say it's switch, but it's an opener for this particular glass lid. So there is a glass lid on the front, and there is an opener over here. You have to press it and then release it so that this section will get open. So this is very simple. So you have to just press it and then release it to get it open. Once you open this particular glass lid, you'll be able to see there are two different metal items, metal rollers over here. These all are metal basically. Whenever you are purchasing knives from IKEA or anywhere in the world, definitely do purchase this item also. And people, so this is the good item. So I would just show you how to sharpen the knife. I'll create another video specifically to show you how to sharpen the knife. This is basically a review of this item and unboxing of this item. Okay, so just hold on, I'll just add some water inside it, and then we will start sharpening it. In this way you have to hold it, and then you have to apply a force in the backward direction. The best approach is to use it in only one direction. Do not use it in multiple directions. So you need to apply the pressure. You don't need to apply pressure, you just need to take it on the backward direction, forward to backward direction. I would say just do it for not more than 10 times. You will definitely see a drastic change in the sharpening of your knife. So yeah, I am done with this. So yeah, it is pretty good. Let me try cutting a apple here. Pressure also, I am not applying a good amount of pressure. I am just applying a little bit of pressure. Yeah, it is quite easy, guys. I would suggest this item, guys, if you have knives at your home. It will work for most of the knives in the world. Okay, it is not only made for the IKEA, it is made for all types of knives that we have in the world. So I would suggest you to have this. The purchase link will be in the description section, and you can definitely go ahead and purchase it. And I hope this video is helpful, guys, for you. And if it is helpful, definitely do hit the like button. And also if you have any question, just put the question in the comment section. I'll try to respond to it. And thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much.